love you, Mushroom.
Gather around, everyone. I'll be your chef today. Whoa. Ha! Ha! This is dangerous. Don't try this on your own. Do you like my awesome cooking skills? Ta-da! It's done! Voila! Today, I've cooked sweet and sour mushrooms.
Sweet and sour mushrooms?
What?
We don't want mushrooms.
We want meat!
But meat is...
Huh? Meat is better than me?
Oh no, mushroom!
Huh? Deke, I think we found our next target.
I think so too. This is going to be fun.
We upset Mushroom.
I think we were too mean.
I know.
What should we do?
Well, just try the sweet and sour mushroom.
Wow!
It's delicious.
It really is!
Let me try! Me too, me too!
Mushrooms are delicious.
Why does everyone want meat?
Huh? Who are you?
Why are you crying, Mushroom? Do you want to be popular? I'll give you this.
Huh?
This mushroom will change your world.
What? Really? Whoa!
I was going to use it for something else, but I think this will be more fun. It's delicious.
Wow, I can't eat anymore.
Ugh, me too.
Let's go and apologize to Mushroom.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I'll find out where Mushroom went. Huh? What is that? What happened, Cha-Cha? I'm not sure, but we have to hurry.
Hurry up, everyone!
Okay.
Wait for me!
Huh?
This mushroom looks like meat.
Mush?
Mushroom?
You all hate mushrooms. What are you doing in the mushroom forest?
Oh no!
What happened? I know what happened. But why? Do you want to know?
It's gross!
Eunasis! How does it feel to be a mushroom?
Mushroom is...
He's acting strange. Run away!
Ulysses, get up! Come on! Come on! What?
Do you want to become a mushroom too?
Ah! Horseradish ball! Horseradish ball!
Baby! It's spicy.
Stop it now! Come back to normal! You're hurting the mushroom forest!
Mushrooms aren't yummy. I don't care if I hurt the mushroom forest.
Mushrooms are
Yummy! Actually, everyone enjoyed the sweet and sour mushrooms.
Right, it was really delicious.
So, please won't you come back, mushroom?
You're lying. Everyone wanted meat, not mushrooms.
Stop! Look at this. What?
It's delicious!
Everyone likes mushrooms? How?
What happened?
Everyone is waiting for you.
Mushroom, let's go back together!
How? I'm already a poisonous mushroom.
Don't worry!
We'll help you.
Sparkling energy!
Yes.
Good. It's my turn. Ta-da! Ha! Sparkle, stream, scream, change. Powder cha-cha. I'll lift all the darkness in the world. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
What?
Ah!
You too, Mushroom!
It's a recipe card!
The darkness card turns you into a poisonous mushroom.
Is everyone really waiting for me?
Uh-huh.
Look over there.
Whoa!
It's Mushroom!
Hooray!
Welcome back! You were telling the truth! Huh? Mushroom came back? To normal again? Again? They just... No, I'll make them pay.